1. Early winter wake-ups. Waking early in winter is harder. That's why it builds discipline. Comfort weakens. Resistance strengthens. 2. Train despite weather. Cold days. Test commitment. Training anyway builds identity. Discipline doesn't depend on mood. 3. Dark morning focus. Use silent mornings to work. No notifications, no distractions. Progress loves darkness. 4. Reduce social noise. Less talking, more doing. Winter is not for entertainment, it's for alignment. 5. Consistent sleep time. Sleep is non-negotiable. Late nights destroy winter momentum. Routine protects willpower. 6. Heavy protein meals. Warm, nourishing food matters. Energy affects discipline. Eat to perform, not escape. 7. Daily cold exposure. Cold showers teach control. You learn to act without comfort. Mental toughness increases quietly. 8. Zero comfort. Excuses. Winter removes motivation naturally. Habits must replace it. Excuses delay growth. 9. Evening reflection. Habit. Review what worked. Notice what failed. Small corrections compound. 10. Long-term thinking. Winter is preparation season. No results yet, only effort. Spring rewards discipline.